Today we are making a Choco Brownie Extreme Blizzard. One of my favorite blizzard. Starting with 2 spoons of Choco chunks. 1, 2. Then we are adding our brownie pieces. 1, 2, maybe a little more. Okay, done. Oh, a customer is coming. That's me calling Laura to serve the customer. Lol, Laura coming. Okay, now back to the blizzard. Let's mix it. Why does the accelerate mode look so aggressive, lol? Me wondering if I should add or not more soft serve. Well, I decided to. Yes, no curl this time. Let's mix again, but this time, less aggressive. Looks pretty good. Scrape, scrape, scrape. The moment you were all been waiting for, because you always think it's going to fall. But in 9 years, it never happened to me.